Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight we are coming at you with a one box break of 2012 National Treasures Football. Here we go. Mark, you could also get Jonathan Stewart. Let's not forget about him. Alright. Let's see if I can get this tape off easily. And of course not, so we'll just try to cut it right here. Yeah, I don't want to cut my hand, that wouldn't be good. Let's see if we can open. There we go. All right, guys. Here we go. And the first card up is going to be who the heck is it? Willis McGahee. Willis McGahee for the Broncos. Ryan F. And let's see the numbering on that. 33. Ooh, I see a nice card here. 33 of 99. Ryan F. And let's go to the back. And that's a Rod Smith. And that's also going to Ryan F. 15 of 99. All right. The next card is going to be Willie Davis, Century Legends for the Cleveland Browns. I'm sorry, for the Green Bay Packers. Green Bay Packers, and that's going to go to Kyle G, the one who cries he never gets a hit. He's got to get a hit. And that's number 24 of 25. All right, there you go, Kyle, our first hit. C.J. Spiller for the Buffalo Bills, Molina. Nice hit, Molina. And that's going to be 56 of 75. All right, Molina, on next hit. Colossal. Marshall Yander. Never even heard of him. I don't even know what team he's on, guys. Let me check it out. The Baltimore Ravens, number 12 of 75. Chad R. There you go, buddy. You wanted to trade those Ravens? There you go. And then we have another colossal Vonta Leach. And that's also for Chad, number 5 of 75. And now we have an autograph. For the Lions, Bill Bentley, rookie autograph. That's going to Michael C. And that's going to be number 22 of 49. There you go, Michael. I can't speed up any more than I'm doing, Chris. And then we have Century Legends Amani Toomer David P. Now we're talking, buddy. Now we're talking. David P. 21 of 49. And then we have another hit for the Ravens. Chad R. Ray Rice jersey. Century Materials. That's going to be number 8 of 25. A little boom, baby. For Chad. Chad cleaning up with the Ravens. Andre Roberts rookie. I'm sorry, not a rookie, autograph. And that's going to be 39 of 49. You didn't want to take that second spot, Larry. And then we have... Oh, this is nice for the Bears. Dick Buckus James F. Nice hit, buddy. I'm saving this card for last if it is what I think it is, but I'm not sure. Let's see the numbering on that Buckus. James, 10 of 25, buddy. 10 of 25 on that Dick Buckus. That's nice. And then we have NFL gear. RG3. Boom, baby. There it is. RG3 autograph. Chris C. There you go, buddy. Wow. And that's going to be 21 of 49. Nice hit, Chris. Chris wanted a run because his wife was cutting off the feed. I'm glad you sticked around for that one, huh? Wow. You guys, now you know why you were in my breaks. Right here. Because of hits like that RG3, buddy. You got to be kidding me. Kyle, take a picture of that, brother. Let's get a nice picture of that. I told you guys I saw something at the end. I saw that little Redskin logo. I didn't know it was him, but I saw it. That's sick. And Kyle, while we're at it, let's take a picture of that card right there too, brother. Take a picture of that, baby. Chris has got the boom, baby. Alright guys, once again, thank you for joining. Don't forget to check us out at www.thecasebreakers.com. Follow me on Twitter at thecasebreakers. And check my eBay auctions. My eBay ID is thecasebreakers. Boom, baby!